Yo, what's good, YouTube? This is gonna be a video of testing the first alert, the let's see, the first alert smoke and carbon monoxide voice with voice. Ready? 3, ready? Testing. Okay, ready?
That's what the groomer she. No, you're talking about
Evacuate. Smoke in living room. Evacuate.
The groomer told me that
When
she has
Laura told me that,
white
I was like, that's a full crap.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in living room. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
And okay, now this next one. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
One of the boys, he's in one of the other classes. He stole some money out of his wallet. He probably just said it. He had some $300 wallet in there. And they were pulling the camera.
Hang on.
And I saw him put the wallet down, and I thought.
Ready?
I think he would do that. I don't know if they are or not. Do it.
Okay.
I don't know. I can't say
Look at that, Laura, look.
Now here's the escape light.
Okay, Noah, get them tested. I've got a headache. That's just like
Last one. My first alert. From Kidda, actually. Yeah, ready? Okay. And here's soon I'm gonna start a vlogging channel. Yeah. So yeah. But listen, YouTube. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah. Who remembers this one from one of my videos? Comment down below if you remember this car. If you remember this car, comment down below if you remember it. From one of my other videos where I admitted I had autism and ADHD. I may explain it to you one day. Yeah, but I'll maybe start a vlogging channel. Comment down below if you want me to start it. Yeah. This is going to be like a little vlog / smoke detector video. Yeah. Check out my room. Comment down below if you know what movie this is all from. Yeah, that's not Secret Life of Pets. Oh, I just admitted it. I just told it. There's a John Deere. Nothing runs like a deer. John Deere Road. Picture of John Deere tractors. There's that. There's Wait, born to farm. My name is Noah, by the way. Here's my silly doggy. He's my silly doggy, woggy, woggy. Watch his YouTube. He's silly. Comment down below if you like this movie. Boom. Yeah.
Okay, antisocial does not mean what you're thinking. Doesn't mean like antisocial.
Here, tell you what.
It's like it's basically all like people who are in prison.
Here, read this if you want to.